Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, we will learn about how to apply bar chart on your data. So stay tuned and watch till the end. I have a very simple example. I have two columns, one with name and another one with total sale. If I want to apply the bar chart on this, I will select all those cells and then go to Insert tab, and then I can see here within the charts option, there is the second one. It's called bar chart. If I click on node on the side, there are two options, 2D bar chart and 3D bar chart. I would like to apply 3D bar chart. I click on this one. Now you can see a bar chart has been applied on my worksheet. I can resize it from the corner to make it look like more presentable, and then I can move anywhere within the worksheet, and then you can see the plus button on the side. If I click this one, multiple options will appear. First one is axis. If I untick this one, the axis will remove from the left hand side and from the bottom. Tick back again. Second one is axis title. If you want to have a title will appear underneath the axis. Third one is chart title. If I don't want chart title, I will untick this one and chart title will disappear. Tick back to bring the title again. Data labels, if I want to have data label, definitely I will tick this option. It will show me the figures at the top of each bar. And then next one is data table. If I take this one, it will apply the data table at the bottom of the chart. Next one is grid line. If I want not to have these grid lines on the background of the chart, I will untick this one and those grid lines will be removed. Next one is legend. If I take legend one, so it will show me the legends. You can see total sale is showing me the legend. If I don't want, I just untick this one and the legend will remove. So these were the options from the plus button. Next one is from the chart styles. If I click this one, it will show me the different types of chart. If I just hover my mouse, it will preview the chart design. I can choose any design. There are loads of options here. If I go for this one, I just click this one and it will apply on my chart. Click on the chart area again, and the third option is filter. I can filter any data. For example, if I just want to see double A sale, if I take this one and then apply, so it will apply double A filter and it will only show me the sales for the double A. So I'll select back all the names and then apply filter, so it will bring back all the sales again. So this is how you can quickly apply the bar chart on your data, and you can quickly modify according to your choice. Hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel if you want to watch more tips and tricks.